Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and manage your inventory on your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify store if you have not already. So you can go to shopify.com right here. Once you open it up, if you are not already logged in the upper right corner, you are going to go and be able to see the option to go and log in or sign up for an account if you do not already have one. So once you're logged in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started setting up our store and managing all our options. And here at the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access regarding our store. So guys, to be able to manage your inventory, what we're going to do is click on the product section right here. By clicking on the product section, this is now going to enable you to take a look at all the products that you have added to your Shopify store and that you are using on your Shopify store. And as you can see, one of the sections that you can find right here is called inventory. You want to click on inventory. From the inventory section, guys, you can keep track of your inventory. When you enable inventory tracking on your products, you can view and adjust inventory counts right here. So you can go to products, open up the product that you want to enable the inventory for. So as you can see, once you have opened it up, it's going to look like this, and then you can go and scroll down and find the inventory option. From here, you can get started with selecting how much units are available, how much units you have. If the inventory is tracked, make sure to turn on, and this is how to turn on your inventory. Now it's going to be available right here, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.